just did a kickflip. It just wasn't on it.
Kickflip it, dude. We're trying to the air down like
That's product of the 80s extra headquarters.
All right, your turn. Okay, what's the camera?
No, he's like all about
He's
Casey.
like cuddling with Casey. Uh-oh.
You can have that if you want it.
Good.
With that hand.
With the hat. Here. Oh, he's trying to. He's trying to. Here. Oh, he was trying to grab it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
That's amazing.
That's pretty awesome. Boo hates your cell phone.
He does not like it, or my leg.
Okay, so John's about to walk into shred course for the last time before he moves to California again. And I'm gonna scare him one last time. Hey!
my God, you always get me good.
Always, always.
Good.
That was incredibly. It's amazing. Gosh!
He grinded that. You just put sweat on me.
Dude, nice. That was awesome.
We're on Snapchat and YouTube. Have you ever seen him do that?
What is it?
He did it the wrong way, like his feet were facing the wrong way. That wasn't a line. It wasn't a line.
It's a watermelon.
That is disgusting.
He stabbed it with a screwdriver like months ago, and that's what it looks like now.
That's not the reason. Yeah. The reason was because it's like 8 months old. That's the reason.
It was fine sitting there, and then
I stabbed it, and then it was fine like a month later I saw it. Casey's trying to blame me for moldy watermelons.
I don't pick it up.
If they've been watching my videos, they fully know what I'm talking about.
The water tower slide.
This is a water tower slide?
Yeah.
Now do a front flip. No, don't.
Why?
Because I was kidding. Moving high five. Try to hit it. Oh, you kind of hit it. My gosh. That was a normal day for Carlos. That was just a normal thing to do. Congratulations for like the 3rd time. Why are you doing it again? Look at that guy. He looks so awesome. The coolest looking squirrel ever. Are you a Disney character? Can you talk?
Oh my God.
He's literally like posing for everybody. He responded to my kissing noises.
Oh, that was scary.
His board is so gone. Jesus. Jesus.
Wow. That's just funny.
Yeah! He's got your back. Oh!
That was the best O ever. Oh!
Oh!
That's what I did not want to do. I was trying to avoid.
Well, you failed at not doing that.
Wow.
What's up, guys? So I just wanted to say that, yeah, this was a randomness video. I had a bunch of clips lying around. I had a bunch of Boo footage, and I really wanted to put it together. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I want to say thank you to Pete Moss, Boo's owner, for bringing Boo to us. He is so great with that monkey. They're just like a duo. He literally like lives his life with that monkey. And they actually have a YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, it's right down there in the info and the social medias for Boo as well. That is it. I do videos every single day here, so hit the subscribe button if you want to see more from me. But mainly check out Boo. And have a good day. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's just it.